We're here at the Holiday Inn in Fairlawn, Ohio. I'm not sure what brand these are. This might be Can. It's for. Oh, these are Millar. Nice. There we go. There are four. Capacity is 2,600 pounds. Nice. Good cab view. These are nice for a Holiday Inn. Here are one. Watch it close. All right, let's get the other one. Let's go to 4. Four. Let's go to 1. Okay, I guess 1's not working, 2's working. I guess we'll go down to 2 then. I don't think 1 is working. We'll try it when we get to 2. Let's get a quick cab view. Same cab as the other one. Will it go down? It will. It just doesn't light up. 2,600 pounds. Or 1. Watch it close. And that's it.